Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Claire and today I'm showing you how I made this very simple decor using Dollar Tree items. I'll link all the other material in the description box. So the first thing I did was to cut out cardboard. These are 32 pieces that I used, and you can cut as many as you want depending on how big you want your vase and the shape that you want for your vase. I'll also be using this paper roll, and this I'll be gluing all these other shapes onto them using the hot glue. If you're new here, you're really welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload. Thank you. The length of this paper roll is 12 inches, while the cardboard that I cut out is only 10 inches. So it will give me that really nice shape for the vase. And this is how all the 32 pieces look like onto the paper roll. It's a really nice shape. So what I did was to take it outside and spray painted it using this metallic gold paint. And this is how this whole piece will look like in gold. So I'll be using this bling. I cut them out into only strips, and these I'll be gluing onto the vase using the hot glue. It was a bit tricky for me to glue it all the way down, so what I did was to first glue only halfway the piece, and then I'll change and invert this whole vase and then glue the ending part. And now for the upper part, I'll be adding these pearl stickers that I got from the 99-cent store. Now originally they were pink, but then I just spray painted them with gold, and I'll just be attaching them. Now for the remaining part of this vase, I'll be just adding these gems that I got from Michael's, and I'll just be using the hot glue to attach them. I think this simple vase is really beautiful. I cleaned it up, removed all the excess glue, and then I also got a few flowers that I'll be putting in. And yeah, this is how the vase looks like. I love the gold. So I also decided to make a tray where I'll be putting this vase. So I went to the Dollar Tree and grabbed these two frames. And so I opened them up, and I'll be using the glass inside, two of them. Yes, so I'll be spray painting them on one side black, so I have the glassy look on the upper part. So this is how the whole piece looks like. Yes, so I also cut out foam board, and these were 3 pieces. The meshes are the same as the 2 mirrors, and I'll be gluing them all together. So here I'm just filing so I could make all the surfaces smooth enough. Now I also cut out strips. These are 1 centimeter, and these I'll be attaching onto the base. So to avoid this, I suggest that you make your base foam board a little bigger than the rest of the two that will be on the upper side, because I'll be gluing shower curtain rings, and you just need a really bigger base for them to really stick onto this frame. So I just covered them up with tape, and I'll be gluing them on the lower side, so just to extend and make the lower foam board bigger. I did this for all the 4 sides of this board, so you can see the base board is now a little bigger. So all I did was to cover up the rest of the foam board using just this paper. It was silver, but then I just spray painted it gold. So you can get any golden paper that I covered on all the ends of this frame. So now I'll be gluing the glass on the top part using the E6000, because that will be a more permanent bond. I got these shower curtain rings from the Dollar Tree, and now I'm just gluing them onto the frame, so you can see the base is really helping to support these rings. I just put other things on top of the mirrors so they can be able to be intact as they dry, as I also attach the rings. And this is how the tray looks like. I think it's really beautiful. I just love how these rings go around. I know at some point the rings intertwine, but yeah, maybe your tray would be bigger. And now I took it outside and spray painted it with gold. I couldn't really avoid the paint going onto the mirror, but I knew I would clean it using the nail polish remover. So this is how the tray looks like. I think it's really beautiful. I cleaned the mirror and it looks so nice. So now I'll just be adding these gems that I also got from the 99-cent store to just cover up the meeting points for the rings and also the middle part of the ring. I just love how this tray turned out. I love the gold and the black mirrors. They're so beautiful. If you did love it as well, please like, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell as well. So for this arrangement, I just put the vase and added a few candles, and I think it was beautiful. Thank you so much all for your support. I have other videos, DIY and decors that you can check out in my description box. I thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.